I love getting lost in the thrift store, but that's not always practical. So keeping a list is a really good way to make sure that you keep on track. I exclusively thrift all my clothes, and I thrift for my whole family. So it's definitely about those fashion finds, and I love like a statement piece. I'm always drawn to sort of, you know, the item on the rack that's going to stand out the most, the brightest colors. I love an 80s knit especially. Supporting Albertans with disabilities is actually one of the reasons why we always kind of try to choose Goodwill first if we can.
I mean, for me, it's all about anything I can wear with suspenders. You'd be surprised how many pairs of suspenders you can find in a Goodwill, because not a lot of people buy them, so it's just a huge variety. And then I can find matching ties that go with all the shirts, and before I know it, I've got this massive wardrobe.
I think I kind of tend to go for an eclectic style, edgy, colorful. One of my friends described it as romantic at one point, which was shocking to me, but also I gravitate towards maximalism. I like bright colors, I like a print mix. I like to try basically anything and just have a lot of fun with the looks that I put together. Yeah. Oh, I like a contrast too, like a weird juxtaposition. So put something fancy with something casual, for example. That's something that I tend to gravitate towards as well.
I would say that it's definitely about patience and persistence. Being willing to look for that thing and then say to yourself, well, they don't have it at this location, maybe a different one, or maybe next week. But just being willing to keep looking for that thing and persevere over kind of feeling like you're not going to find it. Because you always do, eventually.
Every men's aisle, there's always one wool shirt.
And I like to thrift mostly because of sustainability, but also because I find that like it allows you to like try all sorts of different styles, and it's very affordable. Actually, we have a lot of disabilities in our family, so like for us, it's a very personal like connection.
It's really cool to know that there's a place that hires and helps people seek gainful employment.
I feel like I belong somehow.